So very good morning to you all. Class 7 we are reading Antarctica chapter, and in that we have read about different types of resources, Antarctica as a continent, and what is the climate, how the global warming affects Antarctica. So these were the topics which we have already covered. Today we will start Indian expedition to Antarctica. So let's start the topic. So Indian expedition. What is expedition? Expedition means to explore. What we are going to explore in Antarctica, and why Indian word is here? Because you all know that Antarctica is a human-free zone, but still humans are there. What they used to do there? They used to do research there. Lot of researchers, lot of scientists, they are working there. Because a lot of things they want to explore. So they used to study about the molecular biodiversity, they used to study about the climate and the solar system, and a lot of things like origin of life. Some new microorganisms are also discovered, and that can throw light on the origin of life. So these are the things which the scientists are discovering. So India is also a country who established as a research center in Antarctica. So let's see what is there in this topic. It is carried out under the control of National Center of Antarctica and Ocean Research. So this is the expedition which any of the country used to do is controlled under the National Center for Antarctica and Ocean Research. It was initiated in 1981 with the first Indian expedition to Antarctica. So this was the initiation of this ocean research, the National Center for Antarctica and Ocean Research. So with the first Indian expedition to Antarctica, the program gained global acceptance with India's signing of Antarctica Treaty and subsequent construction of Dakshin Gangotri. So it is the program which was started after India signed the Antarctica Treaty. We have read about Antarctica Treaty. In that, lot of rules and regulations are there. So in that, they have also India is also signed there, and afterwards they have established their first research center, that was Dakshin Gangotri. So this Antarctic research base in 1983. It was first set up, and afterwards one more center was set up, that is Maitri in 1990. So Maitri base in 1990, and before that in 1983 Dakshin Gangotri. So first center was Dakshin Gangotri, and second one was Maitri, and third is Bharti. So currently India is building its third research station, and that is named as Bharati. So we are having three research centers. Number one, Dakshin Gangotri. Number two, Maitri. And number three, Bharati. So we will read about each of this research center in detail. So the main purpose of Indian expedition to Antarctica is to study the fauna and the molecular biodiversity. So what is the main purpose? What is the aim of these centers which are established in Antarctica? It is basically learning about the fauna. Fauna means animal kingdom, and the molecular biodiversity of the region. So what is the biodiversity? Molecular biodiversity is there. They are going to read about that also. A total of 120 new microbes are discovered as a result of international scientific effort in the Antarctica by 2005. So by 2005, lot of discoveries are there. Lot of discoveries we have seen, like 120 new microbes they have been discovered, and that all things which is discovered, it is because of the international scientific efforts. About 20 of these microbes had been discovered by India. In that 20 out of 120, 20 of these microbes is discovered by India. That is a good thing. Now India has also published over 300 research publications based on Antarctica study as of 2007. So 300 research publication they have been published by India as on 2007. Now Antarctica Treaty. Antarctica includes all of the land and ice shelves south of 60 degrees south latitude. Treaty entering into force in 1961 and currently has 48 signatory nations. Sets aside Antarctica as a scientific preserve, establishes freedom of scientific investigation, and bans military activities on that continent. India signed the agreement in 1983. So, Antarctica Treaty, we have already read what are the main functions of Antarctica Treaty. It is basically the treaty which comes into the force, in which they have set certain rules and regulation to preserve the continent. So only the freedom of scientific investigation is there, but military activities is totally banned. So these are the things which are included in Antarctica. So let's see what are the different research stations. So in that, number one research center is Dakshin Gangotri. So we will read about Dakshin Gangotri first. So Dakshin Gangotri was the first scientific base station of India situated. So where it is situated? So it is situated in Antarctica, and it was set up at the latitude of 70 degrees south and longitude of 12 degrees east in 1983. So this is the location, 70 degrees south to 12 degrees east longitude. So during third expedition to Antarctica, an automatic weather recording equipment was installed at this station. So when third expedition of Antarctica was started, an automatic weather recording system and equipment was installed in this station. So this is the figure of that station, Dakshin Gangotri. So this was the first scientific base station. Now the second permanent settlement Maitri was set up at Antarctica in 1989. So it was set up in 1989 and it was established in Shacklemecker ranges at 70 degrees south latitude and 11 degrees east longitude. So this is the location. It has been conducting experiment in geology, geography. So these are the areas in which they are doing experiments in geology, geography, medicines. So India built a fresh water lake around Maitri known as Lake Priyadarshini. So because you all know most of the fresh water is frozen here. So to fulfill the need of fresh water, because they need fresh water to drink, so for that they have established their own freshwater lake there, and that freshwater lake is called as Lake Priyadarshini. Maitri accomplished the mission of geomorphologic mapping and Shacklemecker Oasis. So these are the two missions which was being accomplished by the Maitri Center. Now the third one is Bharti. So this is the figure of this is the picture of Maitri. This picture. Now next is Bharti. So let's see what is there in Bharti. So India has demarcated an area beside Lasman Hill in 69 degrees south, 76 degrees east for its third settlement and the second active research center. The station has been fully operational from 2013. So Bharti, which was demarcated in the area of Lasman Hill, this is the area, this is the location, 69 degrees south to 76 degrees east. This is the third settlement and second active station. So India has entered the elite group of 9 nations having multiple stations within Antarctica Circle. So now India is also under a elite club, means the group, the nation group, 9 nation group which are only having multiple stations in Antarctica. So now India is also having more than 2 centers. So because of that, they are also included in that elite group of 9 nations. So you can see the figure. This is the figure of Bharti, the third station, and a gateway of Indian scientists venture into the interior of Antarctica. So this is the center, this is the station Bharti, and here one stamp which is issued by the Indian Postal Department. This shows the first Indian Antarctic expedition. So this is what Indian expedition to Antarctica. So that's all for today. Next we will read about why is Antarctica human free zone. Till now, thank you, have a nice day.